Upgrading commercial windows is often viewed as a cosmetic improvement, but in reality, it plays a critical role in strengthening building security. For businesses in McLean, where professionalism and safety go hand in hand, commercial window replacement is a strategic investment that protects assets, employees, and customers alike. Stronger glass, stronger protection. One of the most immediate security benefits of commercial window replacement is the use of advanced glass technologies. Modern windows are built with materials such as laminated or tempered glass, which are far more resistant to impact than older, standard panes. Unlike traditional glass that shatters easily, laminated glass holds together even when cracked, making it significantly harder for intruders to gain entry. For business owners, this added durability acts as a powerful deterrent. Break-ins often rely on quick access, and when windows resist forced entry, criminals are far more likely to move on. Improved locking systems. Outdated windows often come with worn or basic locking mechanisms that can be easily bypassed. New commercial windows, however, are designed with advanced locking systems that provide multiple layers of protection. These locks are not only more secure but are also built to withstand tampering and repeated use. In a busy commercial environment, where doors and windows are frequently opened and closed, having reliable locks is essential. Window replacement ensures that every access point is reinforced, reducing vulnerabilities across the property. Enhanced visibility and surveillance. Security isn't just about keeping intruders out, it's also about maintaining visibility. Modern commercial windows can be customized to improve sightlines both inside and outside the building. Clear, high-quality glass allows employees and security personnel to monitor surroundings more effectively. Additionally, newer window designs are more compatible with security systems such as cameras and alarms. Better visibility means fewer blind spots, making it easier to detect suspicious activity before it becomes a problem. Protection against environmental threats. Security extends beyond human threats. Severe weather can pose a serious risk to commercial properties, especially when windows are not built to withstand high winds or debris impact. Modern replacement windows are engineered to meet stricter safety standards, offering improved resistance to storms and other environmental hazards. For businesses in McLean, this means less risk of shattered glass during extreme weather events, which not only protects the building interior but also prevents potential injuries. Energy efficiency meets security. While energy efficiency might seem unrelated to security, the two often go hand in hand. High-performance windows are designed with tighter seals and stronger frames, which not only reduce energy loss but also eliminate gaps that could be exploited. A well-sealed window is harder to pry open, and sturdy frames provide additional structural integrity. This dual benefit allows businesses to lower utility costs while simultaneously enhancing building security, a win-win for any property owner. Boosting customer confidence. Security improvements don't go unnoticed by customers and clients. A well-maintained building with modern windows sends a clear message: this business values safety and professionalism. This perception can influence customer trust and even employee morale. When people feel safe in a space, they're more likely to engage, return, and recommend the business to others. Investing in secure, high-quality windows is therefore not just about protection, it's also about reputation. A smart long-term investment. Commercial window replacement is more than a maintenance upgrade, it's a proactive step towards safeguarding your business. With stronger materials, improved locking systems, and better overall performance, new windows provide peace of mind that older installations simply can't match. For businesses in McLean looking to enhance security without sacrificing aesthetics or efficiency, replacing outdated windows is a practical and impactful solution. By making this investment, property owners can create a safer environment while also improving the overall value and functionality of their building.